Today we are gonna make a vanilla buttercream cake. Yahoo! Hooray! I am Kai.
I am Finn.
And we are the twin bros. At least it has to be as well as the brothers. It's not bros, it's brothers actually. Because
Bros.
Okay. Today we're gonna do a small birthday cake.
That's about this small.
A small birthday cake for our dad because tomorrow.
About this
it
small?
is his birthday.
This small?
No.
That's how large our mom's and dad's birthday cake was when they were pregnant. It was this large when
It
they
wasn't
were
a birthday cake.
What?
So, the ingredients will be in the description below and the screen. And we're going to start it first. We're going to mix the dry ingredients. Salt, baking powder, and cake flour.
I'm just going to drop it like this.
I'm going to mix it now.
Now we're going to add the butter and milk and you have to heat it. Now we are going to put sugar inside it.
Actually, it's not sugar, but a type of sugar.
And we also... Now we're going to add the milk and butter and mix it slowly until it's combined.
I can't reach the spoon. Oh, yeah. Too close to the edge.
Vinegar. I think it has silicone in it because I'm not.
Now we're gonna put vanilla extra. Our mom already helped us put oil on the baking pan.
I will pour the
Cake.
Now we're going to shake the bubbles away. Heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 30 minutes or until it is fully baked.
After we bake the cake, we're gonna cool it for about 2 or 3 hours. Wow, that's like so long time. After we cool it for about like 3 hours or 2 hours, we are gonna make the cream. The ingredients are butter, icing, and heavy cream. And you can start it. And actually avoid putting the mixture on turbo. And also you can put a little salt in the icing to make it a little sweeter. And never press it on turbo here. You could like splash everywhere.
Oh, so you know, one time I was putting cereal in a bowl, then I put it heavy cream in there.
And I
like ate it, seriously.
He thought it was milk. Oh.
No, I truly did that on purpose. I did it on purpose.
He did it on purpose. He thought that would be healthy
No,
for him.
no, I did not. I saw someone do it, so I thought I could do it. So I actually did it on mistake, but it was actually on purpose.
Do not believe the internet. I'm wrist boy.
So wristy boy.
I'm wrist boy.
Hey,
I know I could use my wrist.
I'm supposed to mix it. It's my
No,
favorite.
I'm wrist boy. See, I'm wrist. Turning the mixture number 1. You number 1 is secret. What about number 2? That was so deadly. You know why? Because you number 1, look how deadly it is. Like that. See that? Actually, tell you this funny story. Like when my brother was like 5 or 6, you know what? When he was in the backyard and the glass bottle was on for the church, you know what he just did? He just slammed the Cadillac and then it went on the floor. He was like, oopsie. Okay, that's so bad.
It's really bad because it actually broke the
Wow, shaving cream makes it taste before it's all confined and good to go.
I hope I don't
You could
do
put
my
it in a
manners.
plastic bag and
this?
then put it on the top of the cake.
Okay, I just
and then you could put it on the side.
Okay, this is how you spin it. Yeah, that's how you spin it.
I don't think you need to spin it. You just gotta
Yeah, this one was so awesome. Do we even have enough?
Wow, Mommy's like insane with this. Look at her. She has some skill.
Now I'll make the sprinkles by using this heart thingy, or whatever it is called. And that's what I'm gonna put sprinkles. These are rainbows.
That's not all the colors.
Look, I know you did not. We put sprinkles in the heart shape. Now we're going to put chocolate chips around it because it does not look really like heart shape.
Now we are done with the vanilla butter cream cake for our dad's birthday tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and please like and subscribe to our channel and we want to see the thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
That should be our dad's birthday,
Tomorrow.
or our mom's birthday, or our birthday.